Hi, it's Ben Pedrosini from Dita Solutions. In today's session, what I'm going to do is take you through how to add a survey to your module. Firstly, you need to choose the stage in which you want to put the survey into, and generally you normally put a survey right at the end of your module. So once they've completed all the way through, then you could put a survey in there so to get some feedback from the users on how the training module was for them and what they got out of it. So once you've chosen the stage, then go up to the Insert, New Section, and we'll just give it a name. And then from the Page Type drop-down, choose Survey, and then click Create Section. So here we've got the new survey that we're going to show. And what I'll do is I'll go back up to one that we've created already just to show you all the bits and pieces that are inside of it. So once again, just like an exercise or an assessment, there's three different components to it: the details of the survey, so the setup of the survey, the questions that are inside the survey, and also the feedback. So in the details section, once again, you've got a title there, so you can call the survey whatever you like, an introduction, and this just gives the user a bit of information about it, like you can ask them that you really appreciate for them to do the survey. And over on the left hand side here, allowed attempts is always 1 because they're only going to complete the survey once, and you can tick to show the introduction, so you can tick to show this information that you're going to put at the start of the survey, and then also tick to show a summary at the end. So let's go back to the feedback, and this is after they complete the survey. If you tick the show feedback, well then you can write in there what you like, thanking them for participating in your survey. Now let's go into the questions that you set up for survey, and it's just the same as an exercise or an assessment, and you can set up a pool which is just for surveys if you wish, or those questions may come from one of your module pools. Once again, you can create a new question just by clicking on this button, and you've got the multiple types of choices of what type of question you want to answer there. And the one thing you'll notice with a survey question type is that there's no feedback, because there's no right or wrong answer. What you're trying to just get is get some information back from your customer, and there's also no scoring or points, so there's no pass or fail. It's just an exercise for you to get feedback from the users on the module itself. You can also just click on a question that you've already predetermined or got set up on the left hand side in the pools, and then click the arrow button, and then it'll drop that question in there. And then to remove it, just click on the X button. Okay, so surveys are an important part on just getting feedback from your users to find out whether or not the training was worthwhile, and whether they found it easy to navigate through, or whether there's any information that they would like to see in it in the future. If you have any more questions about the Dita suite of products, you can go to www.ditasolutions.com. Thank you.